Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kum kadak kejing sungu ya kejing leap ha kum undong mi khamat syak yeng dorbar thau an. Bat kum Myntri ke Tnat Pule Puthi da ka penrung ya ke college hapo ke scheme People's College. Kinoi kai jangan Nongtalang College kila Pynkup Burom yo ba lakmen rumbui ha kejing alang ka balalong college. Hakani kesngi ladon langru ki dekhat jang governing body bat ki samla Pule ge bala sakhi ye jing Pynkup Burom ya ki dekhat jang governing body jang usnam arja khatpra do arjar arpuar bat ya ki khat sangut ki samla Pule ge bala wanra Burom ya ka college dak ba pass haka kerdan first class haka examen bachelors of arts bat ko ke samla Pule ge bala wan shakhmat haka examen HSS LC
kalau ke jikmen ko bakra bali ni don rengkan interaksi Hakaba, ngin Pynkup Burom ya kini ki khat sangut, bat iway na ka class 12, ki balawan ra ya kani Burom ya ka college. Ngasmo ba ka jingtre sitom hi kamday tang nakalyang jongi ngray ka bakongsan kaday ka jingtre sitom jong kini ki kina. Ka jingtre sitom jong pi kala pulong ini bangin snow sarong, ngin snow hi habangiya sarum sanengro. Banong baka college lagi kalayo ya pass percentage kabalong 10% bat hatsan mo kita kalayo ya kasadan ko kaniko kalong sisya ka Burom hamtam ka Burom ko bringkong college shapi kibala tresitong shapi kitna kabaar college ki kmeki pa jumpi kibale se kismo ba kita kisnem ba kila pulut ya la ka bor ila ka buit ya ka pisa ang ban penhek kansan ya pi menta kala seudo bat phira penpong ye pi da pansnya pansnya bat ka bakhadu ka de ka jing snow sarong ka jing ai Burom jong pi ni kinong hikai bat ya college hi baro ko to blame ai pi ya ka jing start ya ka jing tem ba pinang keu pinang ya ka jing im jong pi ba mala ka sini ba pinong ki ba job ha ki ki ba ma pi ya lenti ba ki ba ma pi ya bendu tu ai ru ba pinong ganuksa ya ki weipat hamtam ya ki ni ki para jo pi ki badang Pule hang ni ba ka jintre sitom lano ru kam ju wanra ya ki jindu or ni layu i ba ka first semester ki dam ki na ko ki dam wan join ki long ki batulat na dukat ta kata ha ka ba ong kumupin kin pas ba tang ba tho khasi ba ru na ndai da ka jintre sitom jo pi ni yo i bat mendapat kala sai yo so bakian katahi kadai ba unjudan manu babien unjudan ki babet ladang idon tanggamon Myntri sto lang idon tanggamon ba kumno ni nila persya ya kijin atau jin injuri wat ong bang babet wat ong bang telat unjudan ki batulat unjudan ki babet namatin siya magidon ki kena ki baha ka matric ki one first division nrekat banang yat namar kijin sarong kat bakinang yat kinang hiar ndai kiba mendapat na siyang baki kena kiba hakabastang lengas ngodo jingkermen ndai kalong pat ke jingkermen kalong ka Burom ka bapi ay ini ba kita ki jindo jingkermen jongi ki wanra kanban yang tau so batian kila pensong het yani ginong hitai
election 2013, but I lost election, but I didn't lose the focus how to bring Nongtalang College at par. I'm very happy today that the principal, the faculty, the staff are facilitating me. But deep down in their heart, they should remember, I think I'm the most, they hate me the most during my time as the president of the governing body. Because I used to overrule. Whatever they ask, I just overrule. Overrule not because I don't like their proposal, but deep down in my heart, I know one day I may be able to help them. One day I may be able to do more than they ask. Because I know I have to balance between the interest of the student community, I have to balance with the interest of the GB, I have to balance with the interest of the faculty and staff. That's why many, almost all, don't like me. And I still remember that we try to do now accreditation. Nobody will pick the visiting team. And that is the most cherished memory I ever had. And I will cherish it. Not because of you got a B grade. The journey we travel from Kohanti till Nongtalang College is the worst journey I have traveled, both physically, mentally, and more importantly, the hope which I have in my mind. I'm very thankful to those members, registrar from Bangalore University, principal from Orissa, and one from Jharkhand. I drive the vehicle by myself. I sleep in the forest guest house inside the vehicle. I didn't come. And they face the worst thing if they ever visit the college, they face when they visit now, the worst treatment which ever. When they want to sleep, there is no mosquito net. And when we buy mosquito net, it is only for the child at the store. And when they want to ask food, the food is not yet cooked. And when they ask warm water, there is no electricity. And when we on the candle, so many flies come. And they go, what is this? But we are very lucky as now. When they come visit the college, because I tell what we didn't have. I didn't tell what we have. I tell all the story which we didn't have. But when they visit here, they till today, this morning they call me. I call her. I told I will visit the college. She told the best memory, in spite of all difficulties I have, is in Nongtalang College. So, number one, in Giant Hills, who got not accredited. This is a journey. Then time goes. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, I become a politician. Yes, inside I want to be at the helm of affairs in some department or other. But I'm very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister that he gave me the opportunity. And the first thing I do, when I become a Minister of Education, after spending 1 month to tender my resignation as the President of GB. Many politicians are longing to be in the chair. Let me work on the back. I don't want to have the conflict of interest. I am the chairman of the State Higher Education Council in the state of Myntri. I know Nongtalang is nowhere in the prospective plan for modern degree college. If, as the president do something, then conflict of interest is there. Better live and work independently. And I'm very happy that modern degree college Nongtalang is with you. And journey started. Then Basim told me you have to come to Facebook, you ask education minister. And I still remember, when my mother died, I did remember that I cried. I'm very happy because so many people come. Because I'm very young that time, as a 7-year-old boy. I'm very happy that so many people come to my residence. And when my father died also, I'm very stubborn. I didn't cry. I know the journey, each people have a journey. But when I stand here to see, to be welcomed by the college for 5 minutes, the first time I cried, my tears just flowing, I cannot speak. I just cannot speak. I know that I have been associated with the college since when I'm young, since the time when the college was first started, since the time when foundation stone was laid. Then now this responsibility falls on me. Whether I will be able to do or not for the college, but I'm very happy. My tears on that day crystallized into a diamond forever, where Nongtalang College could be included in the People's College scheme of government mechanical. That's why I feel I'm not doing Nongtalang College because for you. I'm doing this for the student. I'm doing this for the poor student of this area. Those who cannot afford to go to Shillong. I'm doing it. When I see that they have to travel from Dauki till here, I have to provide the bus. I'm very happy. Chief Minister is always helpful. When I see, then I need one more. Now I know we need staff, vehicle. So this is the journey of my association with Nongtalang College. Remember, nothing will fructify. And mutual suspicious will never reach you anywhere. Is more important. My dear student, as I said, rose may be the most beautiful flower, but remember, it has thorns. In your study also, my dear student, noting. Now exam after exam after exam. You have got first class, but will not guarantee you a seat in university. You have to apply for CBT. But that is a very, very important now. Every step you need to do exam. But I'm sure, ask the student who have the goal in their mind. Ask the member of the governing body who, in spite of the challenges they have, they could bring the college this much. You are also a student. Try to do more. Try to equip yourself with the world. Now technology is in front of us. Choose the right technology. Choose the right purpose. then you will achieve in your life. College. Because here every class is a tuition, not a class. Every class is a tuition. For those average students, if they go to Shillong, by the time the faculty know him or his name, 2 years gone. But here, you could communicate with your faculty, you could communicate with the staff.
Library. Library.